In every sector, health, finance, education, and the environment, we face a shared challenge. How do we build systems that are not only efficient, but genuinely human-centered, resilient, and future-ready? RBW offers a new answer. It stands for Reform Bioinformatic Wealth, a framework for strengthening the human value embedded within every system we depend on. R represents resilient, radiant, and reassuring. Resilient systems adapt under pressure, whether it's a health crisis, a financial shock, or a climate event. Radiant systems illuminate information clearly, helping people make confident decisions. And reassuring systems build trust, the foundation of public confidence and long-term stability. B stands for belonging, balanced, and brilliant. Belonging strengthens participation in communities, workplaces, classrooms, and digital spaces. Balanced systems align resources with real-world needs, reducing waste and improving outcomes. Brilliant systems use data intelligently, supporting innovation that is safe, ethical, and effective. And W represents welcoming, well-being, and worthwhile. Welcoming systems reduce barriers and increase access. Well-being becomes a measurable outcome, not an afterthought. And worthwhile means every action creates value that lasts for people, institutions, and the planet. In healthcare, RBW strengthens systems that care for us. It supports safer pathways, clearer communication, and environments where patients and clinicians feel reassured, respected, and supported. RBW helps health systems measure value not just in cost, but in human well-being. In finance, RBW builds trust, the currency that underpins every transaction. It guides the design of systems that are transparent, inclusive, and resilient to change. RBW helps institutions create financial products that support stability, confidence, and long-term growth. In education, RBW creates learning environments where every student can thrive. It strengthens belonging, clarifies pathways, and supports both academic and emotional well-being. RBW helps educators and institutions measure success not just by grades, but by growth, confidence, and opportunity. And in the environment, RBW supports sustainable, human-centered climate solutions. It aligns communities, industries, and governments around actions that are resilient, balanced, and worthwhile, protecting both people and the planet. RBW is more than an acronym. It is a shared language for designing systems that are resilient, balanced, and centered on human well-being. Across health, finance, education, and the environment, RBW helps us measure what truly matters and build futures that are trustworthy, inclusive, and sustainable. RBW, Reform Bioinformatic Wealth, a smarter foundation for the systems that shape our lives.